people, welcome back to Unbound with Morena. So today I have a fun painting and styling video where I'm going to be working on my small hallway space that leads to my bedroom, my bathroom and my kitchen. I just want to show you how it looks now, and then we work from there. I'll just be doing some small paint job and just styling it. I just wanted to reflect what I have going on in my living room space. That is why I chose to work on this space, although small, but it's going to make an impact also in my space. This is how we're looking just before we start on the project. I have two walls to work with, this and this with the sockets. I'm intending on leaving my wallpaper intact and the doors the same way. I'll be making an arc color block wall here. That's why I need to take the measurements so that I can know where everything is going to go and just to do a good job. This was a bit of a challenge since I needed to have a good arc, but I was able to draw the arc finally by using a string, a nail and a pen. painting. Not yet fully dry. I just want to remove this tape, and then I'll be done for today. If you've watched my last week of videos, then you know how I made these frames, and that is what I'm going to be using this area.